Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can transfer assets from your Earn account to your funding account on BYBIT. So let's get started. The internal transfer function is essential because the Earn account holds crypto that is actively locked in savings or staking products, while the funding account is necessary for processing external withdrawals, P2P transactions, and is often the required first stop before moving funds to the spot or derivatives accounts for trading. To begin the transfer, first log into your BYBIT account and navigate to the Assets or Wallets section, typically found in the bottom navigation bar on the mobile app or the top right corner on the website. Within the Assets overview, you will see a summary of all your accounts. Locate the main transfer button. Click the transfer button, and a pop-up window will appear allowing you to select the transfer details. Crucially, set the transfer direction from the Earn account and to the funding account. Next, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to move, for example, BTC, ETH, or USDT from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount you want to transfer. If you are moving all available funds from your Earn product, click the Max button. After confirming that the direction earned to funding, the asset, and the amount are correct, click the Confirm button to finalize the internal transfer. The transfer is immediate, and you will see the funds instantly reflected in your funding account, ready for withdrawal or further movement within BYBIT. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.